Hadu san pendai ngut ki khynnah skul ka Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya JNV Rambai ha East Giant Hills kila kempang kensan pat yo ya ka jingshi tampri penihar kepo ya ka bala subajur ba ka dei na ka jingbam ya ka bam ka blas new pala ashaki ka Giant Students Union JSU lingba ukurwa ka pentip ba ka ni ka jingja kala jiana du ka arpu arterik naiwing ha ka ba kala Pynrem jor ya ka rukam penyait kam jingthurmur jong ka ni ka skul ka seng kala ai por ru khat san sngi ya ki bor badai khmi bakin le aa halor ka ni ka jingja ka JSU hapo ka jingalam jong ubo cheru mi posnem education secretary kelahir jurip mardor syakate ka jaka maria yo pediang ya ki babun ke jing ujor na ki kmi ki pa bat ki ngalam shnong halor ka ni ka jingkem pang kensan ki khna skul na ka jing suba ngat bi na ka bam ha ka ni ka jing le jurip na ka liang u head boy ula penthik na bakila don hadu live kan dai ngot ki khna skul ki bala let shuti na mar ka jing kempang ka ba palat arpho ngot ki wei pat la ong baki dang shu kempang ha ka step singi balang ong uba po snam ula Pynrem u medical officer ha PHC Rambai ula penthik na syaka seng baka jing penhiar ko apedeng kini khna ka dei na ka jingkala bi jong ka bam ula pensngoru ya ka jingwan ba man kapur jong ki bapang sni do ka ba do shai ya ka jingbam bat perking jong ki bor penya skul ya ka jingkhu jing suba ka JSU kala kantai ru ya ka jingterwa jong principal ban pen kan riat no iki khna skul hapo ka khat san sngi da ka ba ong bakam sngo ya hap satya ne ka bamla banlong ban pen kan ria iki khna skul syaka jaka badang pentre iki kam ka bo ya ka jingma ka bakraw ka jingsngan jong ki khna skul ong usamla po snam haba Pynrem ka jing pentre ka face a kumba san phok lur tingka ladep ban pentre khandai pesan Hendrek kampat dan satya ya ke jingdan kam bakong san kum ka boarding bat ka jingpen poi ka face b kumba arphok lur tingka kadang long tang kumba sapho pesan halor ka ni ka jingja ka JSU mardor kala pentip sha u assistant commissioner of food safety jwai u balabatha ya u food safety officer FSO ban pelong ya ka jing toket ha ka ni ka school ka jingpet benia baningkong jong UFSO kala shimlupai ka jinglong jingman hapo ka campus bakimpat biang bat bam khoj bam suba ka kitchen mess la sham bakalong ka bajaklia kinong turei kala turei khlem ki jingdeng banyada mask hairnets ki pankhana ki dan marjan ka jaka bam bat ka umdi la sham bakalong ka bajungun tang artli ki RO machine kila shakri ya palat arspa ngot ki khna school kala ong ka JSU kala ai por khat san sngi ki bor badai khmi bakin penbet ya ka jingkhoj ka jingsuba bat ko umbam umdi ka bakhoj ha ka ni ka campus bamenta ka jingbam shim khia halor ki jingdawa kan pen bor ya ka seng bakan shim de ki weipat ki sin jam bating e na ka benta ban a jinga dai ki khna school Pynrem u education secretary
39 only. They only because they are sick. And how many sick currently in campus?
Currently in morning, they around 20 of them are sick.
20 of them are sick. Do you know why you're getting sick?
I don't know about that, sir.
A sister in charge, she take you to the PC?
Yeah, they take all the students, those who are sick right now in the morning, take them to the PC.
And that means total boys and girls, right? They're sick.
Yeah, boys also there, but boys not that much.
Girls more.
Girls.
They don't have no, but girls only. No sir, girls only they have that problem. Boys no one. Then I suspected that saline, no? I think like that. If food poisoning is there, all then they will get sick, no? Even boys also. I think like that.
So up to now, that means no boys are sick.
No boys.
No boys have diarrhea.
Only top and cold is there, no diarrhea.
But as per the records we have checked there in PHC, you can see that there are some number of boys who are
Boys.
sick.
What to them?
Yes, on Sunday. Sunday,
Sunday.
Saturday, yes.
Sunday.
It's Saturday night, I think.
Saturday night.
That around 11 p.m. or 12 p.m. We went to the dispensary with around 8 or 9 students.
Today now.
Not today, on Sunday.
Sunday.
Sunday 12 p.m. In the night.
He didn't go hospital.
Because we
I
hear us.
think parents they took them, I think. Maybe.
But around 5 p.m., 6 p.m. That time also.
Boys or girls are maybe girls, no sir. Boys I don't think so. Girls only.
Girls, yes.
Girls only. Yeah, mostly it's affected to girls only.
But then, madam, okay, I'll ask you one question. Do you think that mess hall is healthy as a you are a medical practitioner, you are a nurse, right, madam?
Sir, we are not getting enough water. Okay, many times we wrote letter also. Even the girls hostel also now we are not getting enough water. That we are using that one, that groundwater.
Yeah,
It's
borewell
totally,
pipe water.
It's fully red in color.
Red.
But we are not using that one. For drinking purpose, though, we used to use this RO water.
Which that same water only, but clear only.
No, this one is by one only, by one only. This one is by water, by one, not groundwater, sir. Then we are giving to them for drinking purpose. And for washing clothes and all, we are buying another water from this house, this home, we are buying that one. Then that one was even they are using for toilet purpose.
Yeah, for breathing, high belief.
That one bucket only one. So better is that please you collect correct information from student.
That's what we are collecting correct information. That's why we
Yeah, we are
are
staff of
from
this
that
school,
time.
na.
That's what.
You cannot means I'm not saying I'm telling lie. I'm not saying lie that okay. You can collect correct information from student only, sir.
That's why we are here from afternoon till evening right now. Also, we are going to collect information only.
Maka.
No, this one old one, September. This one is new one.
Johnny? You know the new one.
Kam ni bet smell không? Kam ni bet. Hả? Mangas ni.
Masih ba? Hả? Ấm thằng này ồ gì thế này? Coba kasih dulu.
Are you following the guidelines of PM Posan? Keeping in lines the nutritional standards of what the students should eat.
According to nutritional standard, so all the nutritious ingredients must be given by to the students in a daily basis. So according to breakfast, lunch, dinner and all the items, that is the old one, because whenever we updated new one, we wasted it.
For how long?
Huh?
How long will
No,
the menu? How long will it last?
No, it will especially based on the seasonal time. Like suppose this time,
Winter.
this winter we got banana. We will add that banana in the pan. And according to season and every month we have a meeting with the student also, like mass meeting. In that whatever they desire, whatever they want to, they want in the menu, we will add something plus minus we will do. And we have conduct that meeting also. So according to we will finalize this.
Are you a part of the committee where they decide what to eat, how much to eat?
Yes,
Mess committee. Are you a member or?
No, I am sir. I'm the in charge. I'm overall in charge.
In the committee, in the mess committee,
Mess media.
you're the in charge.
Then तुम्हारा
Hello.
Now that you said that
Tới giờ phải mấy nó. Phải chứ, ta.
go.
those who are not
Is it available?
yeah in the dinner time. and rice dal, chicken for non-veg, and those who are not taking chicken, so for them paneer is there for the
lại inspect you người ta cái score JNV rembai ko em hay tai rembai we the life pet i cái case ki wo yo i complain we kena score yo food poisoning di do ka artery nete i the life hay tai de yo i chamo principal we wuro staff in charge yang ke mess we yang help yang kata ka score we the yo we kelamuki ter chapang te jingja we he kam te le i ne liang yang persen de yo i batai ya ka assistant commissioner yang food safety ko in charge ke East and West Center Hills hagata hi isni we the onga the instructor ki yo food safety officer ke East Jantia yo live ni kesni yo la inspect yo kata ngaskur hagajo upor le kawo ni kelami wo principal worker we kita ki staff in charge bon ni ki no principal wo de deny the allegation ko ongi wo em food poisoning ang in liang sen the life pet i we the yoi wo to kata ka thau chat ka thau tu ki tai kena skur wo kata kan mes call ka thau ban ki man ga wo je clear kita gi staff ki wo padam kan ki hai tai po skur le the lord wo em the sanction ni ki yo e gi di permanent staff the book gi di temporary staff hello retail mem maintain ki ka health protocol wo kamon chat kamon tu kamon tu mo ki skur ki snyo ki kti we em follow ki yo kata ke help procedure na kau ong ki ketin thang te hitai por le de yoi wa kata ke thau chat wa thau tu yong ki we hajan kata to ke pen khana le em ko pen hajan wa ke thau set tier ke thau set than le em ga hajan we ke drainage system ha po kata ke JNV rembai man go ko open te snya thu ki wa to wa kata ke open drainage system depan man ke kata ke jing clear yo ke jing sma hai hadu i thau wa yo wa duk ki kena uban ja dan yang desen the instruct yo food safety officer with only yo chim action nu we hak mana dak proses ka final report hete dau i gak show cause notice yo kata skur hejo ipor le yo pen sekhi hete i delai po PC rembai we yo i u cham wo medical and health officer UM duty kini ketiau we yo ong wa MD case yang ki kena skur wa em kamte do chpaul ni khasan ngut ki khna ki wo yo kujut mut ke penhiar wi wo penyo to symptom yang ta food poisoning ni liang yang ola we de ong wo to kata ke skor hetai wo de man compact wo de man khian bhago we de pen mix ko wo mi ko bu yi kita khna do aspa ngut wo to wa ke jing je clear hetai to gam to ko ki we gi le kam tam ga ta ga dot ke thau chat we kata ke thau set man go pen hajan ten liang yang sen le hejo ipor le the lai chipo kata ke new campus yang JNV school we the yoi wotok kata ke skur the chana ga gari wotok permanent campus yang ka pen hajan yang temporary campus ke kata we the em ko construction are lagi phase to phase A wo phase B ko phase A the yoi kamu kendi 100% ke construction the dependent kita tang udang em chu ki kan ki yang internal kam ga electrical wa plumbing ki udang sa thì jo ipor le yo ka phase B wa to the depth ka do 40% tang overall completion me de khenika ka ta score fa man go mut kau ong da tin thrang man livable ka wi sa ka wi chong ti kana score we he jo ipor le ka wada ya klami website engineer di ka ga date of completion do next year the resolution ko e principal yang kata skor we the only we to wa in 15 days na do negasni do shift ki khna woro kata ka permanent campus tang in liang ke senwan de percai yete jing shift smart kuni khatsan skill ni art house ni wo to wa kum to ko man urlong weile wo to kau siang thu to kata ka thau to hai ka po new campus the man go construction site wem siang thu I kamon ki khna skor we chong yi in gi we gi bro ki construction worker ki nong ki bella na ga wi gi jalla wo chong gi hetai we ka safety yong ki le mem man go ko wa scam tete daw in yang sen le the HU principal wo yo chairman to DC yang East Center Hills yo him action yeni kam wo yo him tegi procedure yo em gi terms conditions wo kata ka company ko wa construct yo kata ka new campus hetai yo gi kena yo sa yo sup yo gi ke ban gedi ko khoj yo gi ro gi jing em kam yo ki kam ki kena skor Neliang desainnya I dobut doni dobut deni ini weidau I the ultimatum khasan ski lembi gu pendep ye gini ke jing the wayong I dau em ki kam ki lau le I ki wa helor yong ita